I set the business up in 2007, and actually one of the first services that we provided was data hygiene. It's absolutely crucial to everything, so we've basically been providing these services to organisations, big and small, in a number of different countries, in fact, since 2007. So we kind of consider ourselves pretty expert at this. That's really our focus, is the attention to detail. Most other organisations who undertake data processing do it purely on a machine basis, so the data will get fed into the cement mixer, churned out, and it'll all come out grey. The way that we operate is we still run that same process using the cement mixer effectively, but we have very strict manual intervention. We eyeball the data, so we actually look at the data. We still have people sat in front of screens doing nothing but manually looking at the data, because the best way of actually finding issues in data is to have a person looking at it. That's the part that most other organisations won't do, because it costs a lot of money to employ people to have them sitting at screens and looking at data. It's a dull, boring job, but that's what we do. That's what we've done since 2007. That's what we're experts at.